Traders, August 14, 2018. The market is closed. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, and report on FUSZ, FUSZ, which closed at 54 cents today. But after hours, the CEO did a live video conference. Spoke about a lot of good things, a lot of positive things. So hopefully, we just wanted to close above the 68 mark. Closes above 79. We can see $1 and change. Looks like there's some buyer confidence in this moving forward. So let's see what happens. Remember, this bottom was 50, trailing around here. See what tomorrow does at the open after this live video conference by the CEO. Could look good for a lot of individuals that have been waiting for quite a while, paying at a higher price. So good luck to all of you. So remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses.